a look at our large volume weighing and filling machine. So the first thing when you get hands on this machine is to take out this wrench from the accessories bag. Okay, you can see, get to the bottom of this machine, there are two screws. Okay, these two bolts are used to protect the machine in long distance delivery, so make sure you remove them before you actually using this machine. Okay, if you don't remove them, the machine won't work. Okay, so the next is you're going to mount this filling nozzle. Okay, to mount this nozzle is really easy. You can see here the screw, here same on the other side, total 4 screws. Okay, that's how you fix that, how you mount this filling nozzle. And this filling nozzle actually has 2 sizes. Okay, you can take down the small nozzle here and reveal the bigger one. Okay, if you need the smaller one, just slide in. Okay, and then finally let's get to the hopper. Okay, you place the hopper in. This is the gate. That's how you control the gate. Okay, if your raw material is rather big, you might want to open the gate a little wider. If you are feeling something really small, then you might need to, close down the gate a little bit. Okay, now let's put the machine to the test. I just removed these 2 bolts from the bottom of the machine, and I also connected the pedal controller. Okay, I poured some rice in the hopper for testing. Here is the power. I need to mention that this machine is a 110 volts machine, but the working voltage in our country is 220. So here I have to use a voltage converter to make the voltage adapt to this machine. But this would bring the side effect, and the side effect would be that the machine will be no longer as accurate as it should be. Okay, but this should be no problem at all if you are not using this voltage converter. So here, let's power on the machine. I'm going to talk a little about this control panel. Here is the weight setting. You can minus the weight. Adding weight. Let's set it to 200 gram. This button here is reset the counter. Here is the counter. You can see it shows 5. That means the machine has been already used 5 times. So we can press this button here to reset the counter. And this row here is for speed setting. Okay, that's the slowest speed, the medium speed, and the fastest speed. We are just using the slowest speed here. This button here is to discharge whatever left in the hopper, and this button is to empty the whole machine. Okay, now we can press the start button here. Okay, as I just mentioned before, it's not very accurate because of the voltage converter. Press the pedal controller here to release. And here we have a vibrating button here. If you press this button inside, and it will make the filling nozzle vibrates while it pouring out the rice. This is especially useful if you are feeling something that is very sticky. Okay, so So now if I press the pedal, you should hear that this thing will vibrate. Okay. We can stop the machine and discharge here. Okay. We still have some rice in the machine. Let's press the empty button here. Now the machine is empty. It automatically stops.